Hello, this is Chris Ware with Keller Williams Realty and the Ware Group, coming to you today from Primary Bank in Bedford, New Hampshire. And Renee Martin, my sidekick, and I, this is our first parkbench.com video with a local business, and we're so happy to have Crystal Dionne here today. I've been lucky to meet Crystal through Bedford Rotary, and we had a chance to work on a great event that happened in the fall. It was actually one of the most successful events that we've had to date. So, Crystal, so happy you took some time to talk with us today.
Very happy to be here.
Good, good. Can you just start out, Crystal, by just giving us a little background on yourself?
Sure. Prior to coming to Primary Bank as their CFO, I spent 20 years in government. I was a financial auditor for the state, went to the municipality town of Bedford for about 15 years as their director of finance. So I spent a lot of time in the Bedford community prior to coming here to Primary Bank before we opened in 2015.
Excellent, thank you. Yeah, so Primary is one of our newer banks. I know we have a few, but definitely one of our newer banks. I know one of our more successful banks. So can you tell us a little bit about Primary?
Absolutely. So Primary Bank is really the only new bank here in the state. There have been no new banks in the state since the recession in 2008. So Primary Bank was formed in 2015. And the reason we decided to form the bank is we felt that there was a void for local community banks that service the small to medium-sized businesses in the state of New Hampshire. And since 96% of businesses in the state are considered small businesses, we felt that there was really a need in the market to really serve those local entrepreneurs and those local businesses.
That's awesome.
Nice,
Good,
very
good.
nice.
Can you tell us something that maybe the local community doesn't know about Primary?
Well, as I just mentioned, we are a local community bank. We are locally owned. Our employees, our board of directors, our investors all live here locally. Decisions are made local, and for that reason, we're able to make decisions very quickly. We like to consider ourselves very entrepreneurial, very creative in what we're able to do for our clients. So that's perhaps something that a lot of individuals may not know about Primary Bank, that when we say we're local, we truly mean that we're local and not just having a local branch here in the state of New Hampshire.
Awesome, great. And so if I were to ask one of your customers, like what would they say that they love about Primary?
Well, I like to say there's a lot of things to love about Primary. However, I think our clients might tell you that Primary truly cares about the success of their business. We try to be, very creative and innovative in our thinking to really help these small businesses grow and thrive. So I think that they would say Primary Bank is a true local community partner in every sense of the word.
Perfect. And then is there anything that your customers should know about, anything exciting going on at this point?
As a matter of fact, we are very excited that we will be opening our second branch. We will be opening in Manchester, downtown on Elm Street. We really feel that Manchester has a vibrant community that we want to continue to be a part of, and having a physical presence there in the city of Manchester will really help solidify our commitment to that community.
Perfect. That's very exciting, and the building looks the building looks phenomenal too. Well, thank you. Thanks for taking the time.
Of course.
So again, it's Chris Ware with Keller Williams Realty and
Renee Martin with Leader One Financial.
And thank you for viewing this interview today. And join us next week as we interview 1750 Tap House, which is a local restaurant in Bedford, and we're very excited about that. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.